Hey everybody, this is Mike Stroud with Stroud's Building Supply and Steel Trusses. Excited about our new offices here in Morganton, North Carolina. We ship all over the country. People ask me all the time, say, hey, do you ship out here to California? We do. We appreciate our customers out there in California, San Diego. We appreciate our customers in Montana. We appreciate our customers in Michigan, New York State. We ship all over the country. So give me a call at 828-413-4201 or visit us online at stroudsbuildingsupply.com. We do the whole pole barn kits. You can figure $4.75 a square foot. We give discounts to our veterans and our public safety officials and people like that. We appreciate everybody that serves in our country in any capacity. And we're a God-fearing company. We're not ashamed of that. We've got the best deals out there, the best trusses. Let me kind of show you around and let you look at the trusses up close and kind of see the difference that we've got on our trusses. God bless you. Let's take a look right now. Okay, here are shed trusses that come off of a building. We keep 12-footers in stock, and they're going to measure 12 foot from where you attach them to the building to the outside of the 6x6 post, as you can see here. And that's on a 112 pitch. We do 112 pitch, that way you got more clearance. Some people already have buildings up or that are established, and if you do more of a pitch than that, you kind of lose your headroom out here on the end. But you can figure that's the way we measure ours. We go up to 30-foot clear span with our shed trusses. Some people call those run-in sheds if they want to do a freestanding. And then let me show you the 40-footers here. We keep these in stock also. Our 40-footers are going to measure from outside post to outside post exactly 40 foot. And then you're going to have your 16-inch overhang past the post, as you can see right here. Let me kind of get up close on one. Here's your post right here where your 6x6 fits. And then here's your overhang that's going to run all the way out here to your last purlin. And look at these purlin cups. Man, they're pre-drilled and they're all centered so that you can put a screw in this side and then a screw up top here. That way the screws don't run into one another. They're squared for your dimensional lumber. 2x6 yellow pine is what we use. And we use through bolts on all of our trusses. That way you're just not lagged into the pole. You've got through bolts. And then you've got your stabilizer bar. All this stuff is pre-drilled, your holes. So you don't have to worry about all this kind of stuff. It just goes together really simple and easy. You don't have header boards or any of that kind of thing. So it's really a nice setup. We keep 30-footers in stock. We keep 24s in stock and 20s in stock. Now let me kind of show you some other things that we do, because we do custom orders all the time. We go up to 60-foot clear span. Now let me kind of show you some of our custom order stuff. Okay, let me walk you over here to where our special orders are at. You can kind of see. We do anything. We've got one for a church. They're doing just a little picnic area. They needed something just 16 foot. You know, like I said, we make up to 60-foot clear span, but they needed something just kind of like a little picnic shelter. So we got that set up for them. And then here's our header trusses. This is a header truss right here. It measures 24 foot from one side to the other. And that way, when you put your third truss in the middle here, if you're coming in from the side of your building, you know, you can eliminate that 6x6 post that's going to be right here. That way you can come in from the side of your building just like this, not just the gable end. So we sell those. That's a really great setup. And then, like I said, we've got truss pitches any size that you're looking for. This customer here, he needed some 14-foot gables at a 12-12 pitch. So, I mean, we do steep pitches. Our standards are a 412 pitch on everything that we do, but we can do any pitch. But that's the ones that are engineered for our snow loads and our wind shears to hurricane standards in Florida. So give us a call, 828-413-4201, and visit us at stroudsbuildingsupply.com. Get yourself a pole barn. We give you free quotes all the time. God bless you.